Hey ladies, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make the diaper motorcycles, and what you need is 20 diapers, newborn size 1, whatever you need, and you need ribbon, a hot glue gun or double-sided tape, socks, a washcloth, a bib, a bottle, and if you like, a teddy bear also, and 2 receiving blankets. I know it's not going to be matching because I don't have all of the same color. I still have to go buy some for this project that I'm finishing, so I'm going to do it with what I have. However, how you start is you line up all your diapers in a line about an inch, maybe half an inch apart, all the way down. And you can always figure out an easy way to do this. You can just play with it and see what's easier for you. Get one diaper, so you'll have 11. Get one diaper, and then you roll it down. This is going to be like your anchor for the middle part of your wheel, and start at the end, and then just start rolling. I usually go from this right onto my ribbon because, as you can see, it's thick. And then I make sure I have them pre-cut, and then I just go and I hot glue it, and that way it just stays, and I don't have to worry about putting a rubber band around this and then putting my ribbon. So once you have this and you put your ribbon, you're just gonna push this anchor out, and let's get that aside. And it'll look like this once you push your anchor out. So you do that twice till you have your 2 wheels, and then when you're going to put it together, you need your receiving blanket that you're going to fold in half longwise, and so make some room. And then cut it in half again, and again, and again. You can put double-sided tape on this to just hold it together in the inside, but you don't have to. Okay, and then you just put the side that's glued down. I usually put that on the bottom, and then just take your receiving blanket and pull it through. Like so. And then just take both ends and pull them into the center. I like to use a rubber band and just tie it in the middle. And you just stuff it in the middle, in the center. You can just work it until it's how you want it. So once it's in the center, it's going to look like this. Then you want to make your handles. So take your other receiving blanket, sorry for the mismatch, and you're basically going to do the same thing. Just fold it in half, and fold it in half again. I don't have a big rubber band, so this little hair one isn't working for me. But you want to have it tight so it's together. Pull it through and show the same length. Again, another rubber band. If you use the big brown ones, those are better because it will hold better, but this I ran out. I'm using my daughter's hair bands. You can also use the those fuzzy long straw looking things that bend to put in here so that you can mold it how you want to. But as you can see, it works with anything. Get your socks. Put your socks on the end of it to make little handles. Like so. That will be your handles. You put a ribbon here, whichever color you're doing your motorcycle in. You get your bottle and you put it through. Of course, there's will be a new one. And then once you have that, you can use your washcloth and just wrap it around and just tape it at the bottom just to cover that up. And then you have your bib that you can use as a little bumper. And then you can put this on top of a diaper cake, just a one layer, and then just put all kinds of things that mommy will use for the baby, like shampoo and lotion and all that. And you can also put a teddy bear on top if you want. And this is pretty much what it looks like. Oops, it's falling. But you don't have to, you can just do it like that. I always put maybe like a set of the play keys on here and some of the stuff that mommy will use. But this is pretty much what it looks like. So, hope you enjoy the tutorial and see if you can try this on your own and make some of your own, make them nice. Make sure to post them up on the group. We'd love to see your work. Thank you for watching.